Generate your own QR code. Go to qrcodegenerator.com. Select what your code will represent. Select your business type, or you can use it for personal use. Then click Next. Selecting for personal use. Select your QR code type. Click Next again. Then name of your QR code. Then select QR code color. As I selected for personal use, I will upload my picture. If it's your page, put link here. Then I uploaded my picture to create QR code. Then I again clicked Next. Here is my QR code. Voila! You can change it to any form. If I scan here, it's my picture. Follow us.